Hi guys, my name is Jason, and today I bring the new application called Device Safe Monitoring, or other name Seeker. There are three men who developed this app: Sharon, Evan, and me. Sharon done the security part and Evan done the UI, and I've done the GPS part. The main purpose of this app is actually to pass this paper, but if we need other purpose, is to locate the user's device in case of lost or saved situation. The main feature of our app is to display the device location on the app itself, and to locate our device location on the Google database. The final main features of our app is to get the feedbacks from the users to improve our web service. And the other man, the Sharon, will come here to explain about our Scrum.
Alright, so in terms of how we wanted to go about developing our app, we decided to use the Scrum method. To begin, we collected some user stories from multiple people, which basically describe what sort of features we would like to be implemented into our app. We would then take the most important features and place them onto a product backlog. Within this backlog, we would state the level of priority given to each feature and how many of our group members would be needed to develop such features. To further enhance our Scrum process, we also conducted group meetings with each other. This was done weekly through online meetings or every 2 weeks with a face-to-face meeting where we discussed our progress. Finally, we also implemented some acceptance tests in which we basically estimated how we would code these user stories. In terms of testing and quality assurance, we followed these three methods here. Test-driven development, or otherwise known as incremental integration testing, which basically means whenever we added some new code into our app, we would continuously build and test this output. So that way we would make sure there's no errors and everything was working perfectly. In terms of unit testing, whenever we were adding new code once again, we would test them in a separate class, and that way we would not make it interfere with our already developed project. So once this unit testing was conducted, once we were happy with the output we were getting, we would then combine this separate class into our project. And then finally, we would also run the Android virtual device system, which was provided by Eclipse, so that way we can find out what exactly our output is.
Any issues? We created our own database and also replace Google database with our own web servers for map valuing, and for next part what we have learning and is a basic Android coding and how we can working together in groups, and our time management, and for each step what we have to finish, and we should finish our project on time. And in conclusion, we have a lot of new idea in the Andrew's app. If in the future we have a chance can doing again, maybe we can do the better than this. And thank you for watching our video, and